Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Using Canva, how you can create your resume, your CV for applying jobs. Yeah, or you can create CV and sell it out online in the online marketplaces. You can earn money by just creating the resume. How you can create a resume? Click on just business here and go to resume. Here is resume, click on it, and your resumes of different kind are here. You can choose a resume of your own choice and make editing and create a resume of your own. For example, I want to create a resume. I click on it, customize this template, and when it gets open, it is now open in front of you. You can change its text, everything. The photo that you have already here, you can change it out with your own photo. Name you can change. Write the name of that person. Take reveals. Personal summary you can change. Click on it. Its color you can change it. Its size you can change it. In this way you can increase, decrease its size. You can change its color. You can click on it and change the text to professional experience. Click on experience. You can change its color and its size and its everything. Experience. Here the data, you can click on it and change the data in the same way. Skills, click on it, change its color, and you can add something else here. Contact, you can change its color too. So in this way you can change and create a resume of your own and sell it out online. Here you can click on share and download this resume, and you can use it for different purposes. Thank you so much for watching this video.